Hello friends, this is Jayant Ronkar working as Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. Students, today we are going to learn about first practical of computer graphics subject. The aim of this practical is write an application program to draw circle, rectangle, ellipse and line using simple graphics concept. The objective of this experiment is to understand the concept of how to draw circle, rectangle, ellipse, line using simple graphics concept, and the software which is required to write a program and to run the program is Turbo C. Means we will write the program in Turbo C and we will execute it. Now we will see basic concept about this experiment. The function of computer graphics, first of all, we will see. C graphics using graphics.h function can be used to draw different shapes, display text in different font, change colors, many more. We can do by using the graphics.h. Using functions graphics.h in Turbo C compiler, you can make graphics programs, animations, projects, and games. You can draw circles, lines, rectangle, bars, and many other geometrical figures by using graphics.h. You can change their colors using the available functions and fill them. Following the list of functions of graphics.h file, every function is discussed with arguments it needs, its description, possible errors while using the functions, and a simple program uh, with its output we will see. First of all, we will see a function to draw a line. That is called a line function in C. Line function is used to draw a line from point x1 y1. We can say this point is p1. It is one endpoint of line to point p2, which is having coordinate x2 y2. So we can name this point p2. So we will draw a line from point p1 to p2. And the declaration syntax of this function is given as void line integer x1, integer y1, integer x2, integer y2. The next function we will see, that is circle generation function in C. The declaration syntax for generation of circle is given here: void circle integer x, comma integer y, comma integer radius. Circle function is used to draw a circle with center x, comma y. So to draw a circle, we all know we have to draw a center, and with reference to that center, if we know the radius, we can draw a circle very easily. So with this concept only, this function, circle function will work and will draw the circle by using the graphics. The third parameter specifies the radius of circle. Then we will see ellipse drawing function in C. Declaration of ellipse function is given here, that is void ellipse integer x, comma integer y, comma integer angle, comma integer end angle, comma integer x radius, comma integer y radius. These many parameters is required while we are drawing the ellipse. Whenever we want to draw the ellipse by using the computer graphics, we require this many parameters to mention in the function. Ellipse is used to draw an ellipse x comma y, a coordinate of center of the ellipse. But center of ellipse is given here, but it is not possible to draw the ellipse like the circle. So there are some concept which is used to draw the ellipse. Stangle is the starting angle to draw the ellipse. End angle is the ending angle, and fifth and sixth parameter specifies the x and y radius of ellipse, where the elliptical part or bending part or the arc from where the line is bending that we need to calculate when we have to draw the ellipse. That's why that ending angle, starting angle is given while drawing the ellipse. Now, next we will see to draw a rectangle. That is, rectangle function is used to draw the rectangle in C. The declaration syntax to draw the rectangle is given here. Void rectangle, integer left, integer top, integer right, and integer bottom. Rectangle function is used to draw a rectangle. Coordinate of left top and right bottom corner are required to draw the rectangle. Left specifies the x coordinate of top left corner. Top specifies y coordinate of top left corner. Right specifies x coordinate of right bottom corner. Bottom specifies y coordinate of right bottom corner. So by using these coordinates, all the coordinates of 4 coordinates of the rectangle, we can join the line and we can draw the rectangle very easily. In computer graphics, to draw a straight line, it is somewhat simple task. So we can draw a rectangle very easily by using the line function or line drawing functions. So this is what about the rectangle function in C. Then to draw arc function in C, declaration is given here. Void arc integer x comma integer y comma integer stangle comma integer end angle comma integer radius. These parameters are required while we have to draw arc. Arc is nothing but the bending of line, like we have drawing a circle. At that time we need to use an arc to bend a straight line in some angle, that is called the arc. So this function is used to draw an arc. Arc function is used to draw an arc with center x comma y, and stangle specifies starting angle, end angle specified end angle, and last parameter specifies the radius of arc. Arc function can also be used to draw a circle, but for that starting angle and end angle should be 0 to 360 degree respectively. Now we will see some basic functions which we need to use regularly while we are writing the graphics program in C. First is close graph function in C. Close graph function close the graphics mode, deallocates all memory allocated by graphics system, and restore the screen to mode it was in before you, called init graph. Means it will send the screen on the previous mode where it was available. So this declaration syntax for close graph is given here. Void close graph bracket complete, and you have to put the semicolon as it is the syntax of C programming. Then get color function return the current drawing color. Declaration get int get color. For example is given here. A equal to get color function, it is an integer variable. If the current drawing color is white, then will be 15. Then that number will be 15. Means for white we have to put the 15 number to draw the white color. Then we will see set color function in C. Declaration void set color integer color. In Turbo C or Turbo Graphics, each color is assigned a number. You must have to remember that in Turbo Graphics system, each color is having number. Like in previous function, that is get color, we have seen that 15 number is allocated for white color. Like that, each color is having some specific number, and accordingly we have to put the color to draw that particular color in particular shape or particular object. Total 16 colors are available. Strictly speaking, number of available colors depend on current graphics mode and drivers which are available in the system. For example, black is assigned 0, red is assigned 4, etc. Shade color function is used to change the current drawing color. For example, shade color red or shade color 4 change the current drawing color to red. Why? Because red is assigned by number 4, or 4 number is assigned to red color. That's why whatever we can write that is red in shade color, it will change the color of that drawing to the red. Remember that default drawing color is white color. Then we will see get pixel function in C. Get pixel function return to the color of pixel represent at location x comma y. Declaration is integer get pixel integer x comma integer y. Put pixel function in C. Put pixel function plot a pixel at location x comma y of specified color. C. Put pixel means to draw a point, to draw a dot, to represent a pixel which will represent, or which will we can see it very easily because it is having some different color. Normally the screen is looking black, or when we will on it, so it will looking white. So we have to put some different color than the color of screen to the pixel which we want to draw at particular location, that is having the coordinate x comma y. So declaration of void put pixel function is void put pixel integer x comma integer y comma integer color. For example, if we want to draw a green color pixel at 35 comma 45, then we will write put pixel 35 comma 35 comma green, then bracket complete and put the semicolon. In our C program, put pixel function can be used to draw circle, lines and ellipses using various algorithms. This is all about the basic things regarding our experiment number 1 and regarding the basics of computer graphics. While before writing a computer graphics program, we need to know all these things. So this is all about the basics of computer graphics. Now we will see the code of this experiment number 1, which is written in C. So I will stop this presentation. We will see the program. So this is what the program of experiment number 1, that is write an application program to draw a circle, rectangle, ellipse and line using simple graphics concept. So dear students, see this program. You know how to write the C program. So include stdio.h, include conio.h. This is what the standard input output file, header files, and input for giving input and getting output. These header files are actually used. So then new thing we need to add in this program is include graphics.h, that we have learned about this graphic.h in before some time. So now we will start writing main program or main loop, that is void main. Here, while writing the graphics program, we need to detect the graphics, where graphics is available in the system, that we need to identify to the program. That's why Here GD equal to detect is given written here. GD means detect graphics. So the function, so the syntax to detect the graphics is GD equal to detect comma GM. That is called a graphics mode actually. Then colon. Then integer poly 10. This is what an array of 10 values. Here the values are given 200, 200, 200, then 300, comma 300, comma 300, comma 300, comma 200, comma 200, comma 200. This is an array. Then we have to write the init graph function. We have to write init graph function. Here ampersand of GD, where the graphic system is available at that location, your pointer will go and detect the graphics and it activate graphics mode. For that purpose, we need to give the path of the BGI file. That's why C colon double slash backslash, then TC, that is turbo C, then BGI file. So this is what the syntax to initialize the graphics in your program. Without this, your program will never be run, it never will give the output. So whenever you will write the graphics program, at that time you need to write this include graphics.h, then GD equal to detect GM, and this init graph function you need to write every time in every graphics program. Now we will see ready-made functions which are available in graphics directory or graphic dictionary, we can say. With the help of C programming, it will use these functions to draw the circles, rectangle, and so many shapes we can draw by using these ready-made functions. So the circle, how circle function is used. So here circle function is given having 100, 100, 50 semicolon. So this 100, first 100 is the x value of coordinate, then second 100 is y value of coordinate, and this 50 is the radius of the circle. Third parameter is radius of circle. So this is what the center, we can say 100, 100 is the center, and from that center 100, 100 we have to draw the circle with the radius 50. Out text xy comma sorry out text xy function is used 75 comma 170 and circle. So this is all about circle drawing function. Then we will draw, this will give out text xy function will give the output of the circle with some colors, and that color will be given to that particular circle, and that circle will draw on the screen. Rectangle function is used here. Rectangle 209 comma 50 comma 350 comma 150 comma 209 comma 100. So this is what the values we need to give to the vertex or the particular endpoint of the rectangle. We need 4 endpoints to draw the rectangle. So with the combination of these values, 4 points will be there, and to joining, by joining that 4 coordinates of values, we will draw the circle very easily. Here also out text xy 240 comma 170 rectangle is used. Here also the rectangle will start drawing from that particular points, and it will assign some color and it will display on the screen. Then ellipse is given here. Ellipse function 500 comma 10 comma 0 360 comma 100 comma 50. Here xy parameter are given, then angle is given, that is 0 to 0 and 360, then 100, starting angle, end angle, and x coordinate, y coordinates are given. Then next is line function, that is 100 comma 400 comma 200 comma 400. So line is also required two endpoints. So by these four values, that is x1 y1, 100, 400, 200 x2, and 400 y2, then it will display on the screen by using the outtext xy function. Then draw polynomial phi u comma poly, then it will draw the polygon. Then get ch we need to add here, we need to write here to clear the screen, to finish the program, and then uh, we will finish our program by using the curly brace. So you will get the output on your screen when you will run this program, when you will execute this program by using the control F9 or control F5. Then after the compilation, you will get the output. This is what the circle, then rectangle, then ellipse. This is what the triangle, that is called a polygon, and line. So this is all about the experiment number 1. So in next lecture we will see experiment number 2. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.